Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Rentley. Here are the top stories of the day. Nationwide mock drill conducted in hospitals to ensure readiness for COVID-19 management. Sixth edition of Kaz Ind 2022, a joint exercise of the Indian Army and Kazakhstan Army, concludes. Meghalaya conducts mock drill on COVID-19 readiness across a number of health facilities. Meghalaya BJP reaches out to local leaders, civil society groups for issues and suggestions to be incorporated in its 2023 election manifesto. The news in detail. A nationwide mock drill was conducted in all hospitals to assess the COVID-19 emergency preparedness in India in the wake of the rising COVID-19 cases in some countries. During the drill, resources available in the hospital to fight COVID were assessed, including infrastructure readiness with particular focus on oxygen plants, ventilators, logistics and human resources. In line with this, a mock drill was also conducted at the Shillong Civil Hospital. The sixth edition of Kaz Ind 2022, a joint exercise of the Indian Army and Kazakhstan Army, was held at Umroi in Meghalaya. The exercise, which began on December 15th, included a variety of missions ranging from joint planning, joint tactical drills, basics of special arms skills, HADR, to raiding a hostile target. It may be mentioned that the joint annual training exercise with the Kazakhstan Army was instituted in 2016 as Exercise Prabal Dostik.
काउंटर टेररिस्ट ऑपरेशंस को मद्देनजर रखते हुए किया गया है। कोई भी काउंटर टेररिस्ट ऑपरेशन जो अर्बन, सेमी अर्बन या फिर जंगल टेरेन में किया जाए, उसमें कोई दो फ्रेंडली नेशंस की आर्मी आपस में किस तालमेल के साथ वो ऑपरेशन कारगर कर सकती है, उसके बारे में ये ट्रेनिंग दिया गया है।
A mock drill was held on Tuesday across a number of health facilities in Meghalaya to ensure their readiness to deal with any eventuality related to COVID-19. The focus of the mock drill was on availability of health facilities, bed capacities, optimal availability of human resources including doctors, nurses and paramedics, availability of advanced and basic life support ambulances, testing capacities and medical oxygen. The drill was held under the guidance of the respective deputy commissioners in close consultation with officials of the health department.
Only thing I would advise the public is come early to the hospital and then don't delay testing. Test early testing, early follow-up, early treatment. That is a must, I think. And masks, I think once there are cases, masks are not to be used.
Meghalaya BJP is reaching the grassroots to understand the issues of the state and get suggestions to be incorporated into its 2023 election manifesto. As part of the exercise, senior BJP leaders of the party are already meeting Rambashnongs of various localities to seek their views on important issues. According to the Meghalaya BJP President Ernest Mauri, the party's state leaders will meet civil society leaders and groups to get a clear idea on the important issues that need the state's immediate attention, which will then be compiled and incorporated in the manifesto. Informing that the party manifesto will be in two parts, he said that the first part will highlight the local issues and agendas, while the second part will be on national issues.
Agenda in manifesto that is local and even national also. You see, we have got our intellectual wing also, and we are taking the view from all the mandan and from the state leaders, from the district leaders, and from our leaders also. So taking all together, and we are sitting, then we will check out the important points to be implicated in the manifesto.
The AICC has appointed Congress General Secretary and Rajya Sabha member Mukul Wasnik as senior observer, along with 6 observers for the upcoming assembly elections in Meghalaya. Nagaland and Tripura Congress MP Benny Behanan and former parliamentarian J.D. Silam will be the observers for Meghalaya, while Francisco Sardinia and K. Jayakumar, both members of parliament, will be observers for Nagaland. Senior Congress leader Arvinder Singh Lovely and MP Abdul Kalek will be the observers for Tripura. The Grand Old Party has no MLA in Meghalaya and Nagaland. Renowned drummer Sam Shulai passed away in the city on Monday. Shulai played for various artists including Lou Majau and Rudy Wallang and bands such as Fourth Element. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma in a tweet wrote, Mr. Sam Shulai not only played the drums into hall music lovers' hearts, but was the heartbeat of every band and artist he made music with. Very sad to learn about the demise of this great musician. My condolences to his family, friends and fans. May he rest in peace. And now for a look at the weather. The maximum temperature was recorded at 16.4 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature dropping to 7.7 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 78%, dropping to 53% in the evening. The forecast tells us light to moderate rain is likely to occur in a few places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And now for a quick recap of today's headlines. Nationwide mock drill conducted in hospitals to ensure readiness for COVID-19 management. The 6th edition of Kaz Ind 2022, a joint exercise of the Indian Army and Kazakhstan Army concludes. Meghalaya conducts mock drill on COVID-19 readiness across a number of health facilities. And Meghalaya BJP reaches out to local leaders, civil society groups for issues and suggestions to be incorporated in its 2023 election manifesto. That's all the news we have for you today. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a good evening.